Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel, and today we're going to see some Java features. As you all know, in this playlist we started to teach Java basics in easy to understand language from basics to advanced level. We will going to discuss all the basic features and the small concepts of Java from small to the advanced level slowly. So if you are new, make sure to like the video so that it can reach many people who needs this type of Java learning. So first check what is the Java features, and the Java features first one will be that it is a object oriented language. Okay, so in C it was not object oriented language. C++ is modified version of C. There it can be used as object oriented and it may not be used as object oriented. So you can write C++ programs in both ways. Now Java is strictly object oriented, because you cannot write any code in Java without specifying the class, or without designing it in an object oriented manner. Okay, even the main functions should be part of a class. So Java is object oriented, and Java is also platform independent, but the Java whole source code is not platform independent, as I have explained in my previous video of this playlist. What is platform independency, what is Java source code, what is Java bytecode, you can check the previous video. So Java bytecode, after compiling the Java source code, converts to bytecode, and this bytecode is platform independent. It can run on any OS. Next is that Java is very simple. Okay, the complex features of C++ is removed from Java. Like, what are the complex features like operator overloading, pointers, memory handling? These things are removed from Java. Also, there is a special garbage collector in Java, so that you do not have to implicitly mention, you do not have to clear the or remove the memory after using. Okay, once the use of an object is done, completed, the garbage collector immediately freeze the memory. And next thing is multi-threading. So Java is a multi-threading. Java supports multi-threading. What is multi-threading? It helps you to execute or run n number of, or many number of programs at once. Okay, so you can run not only one program at a time, you can run all the programs or many programs at a single time. Next is that Java is a interpreted and compiled both language. Okay, first Java is compiled, then it comes to the bytecode, then it is an interpreted language that helps in the platform independency. So the platform independency also makes Java portable. That means the Java bytecode you can copy from your Windows file and run it in the Linux file, or run it in the Mac file, and it will still run smoothly, because it is the interpreted language, the bytecode is. Okay, next is the dynamic. Java is dynamic, so any memory allocation in Java is happens in a dynamic method. Okay, so these are the Java features. There are also many other features, you can just Google that, but this is these are the main features of the Java. So that's it, and from the next video, if you want me to show you or teach you how to install the Java and set the path variable as well to make as a video, make sure to comment down. Otherwise I will skip the installation part, because there are thousands of videos for installation and there is nothing to learn or understand in the installation thing. So you can just check it from those videos.